It's Wednesday, January 29, 2020. It's about 11:30 a.m. and that'd be Arizona time. We're in Havasu Landing Resort and Casino on the California side of Lake Havasu. We've got a windstorm blowing in most of the day today, and they're going to be gusts as high as 50 miles an hour. Up and down the west side of Arizona, and there's the west side of Arizona, Lake Havasu City. Way out there. But I wasn't going to try to zoom into that. I want to get some of these dust storms going down. See the trees moving. Wind's coming from the north right down the Colorado River Valley. Probably hear the wind in the video. There goes dust going by. You can taste the dust in the air. There goes one. Trying to get another blast of dust. There goes one. Maybe. Wednesday mornings is bingo day at the local firehouse. A group of women called the Fire Bells sponsor it. Fundraiser for the firehouse. They put fresh sand on that beach, the other side of the wooden fence. And that's the big dust storm piles we see going down. I know this is pretty exciting. Waiting for dirt to blow by. Here comes one. Come on, come on. The wind doesn't stop. It doesn't pause. It slows down a little bit, picks right back up. We're not even in monsoon season. Okay, a little bit more of the trees. And that'll be it.